FragWatch here. Hey, FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing two of the new WLMouse Beast mice as of February 20th. Here we go. We're opening. Oh my god. A little resistance. A little resistance. Oh, whoa, that comes undone. Let's flip this bad boy over. Yeah. Okay. Let's put this one on the floor for now, yeah? That one in a second. We'll do that one super fast because I think it's the same mouse. We got WLMouse Magnesium Gaming Mouse. It's got this clamp over it. What colorway did I get? This is the Infinity Blue M Pro Omron Opticals. Okay. Let's do this thing. Nice. I like that. Nothing to cut. My scissors are feeling pretty worthless. Cool little, need some help? My therapist would probably say so. Yeah? Yeah. There you go. You don't sing as much as me and not have and not be in therapy. Hey, you guys know why I like corn dogs so much? It's because you get the sweet before the meat, baby. That's an original one that I came up with. Don't fucking steal it. Ooh, man, that's a pretty blue. Damn. Comes with a carrying case. That's nice. Ooh, that's a powdery coat, man. Wow. That's cool. Let me get this up here for y'all. Oh, check this design out. So on the Strider, this plastic piece pulled the skate plastic pieces off. Let's see if it does it on this. Damn. Okay, got one of them off. Not as exciting. Look at the other one for the Strider. Got 3 of them off, or got 4 of them off. Check that out. That's nice. Anyways, this is a nice mouse so far. I love their dongles. My God, we got a cat. Its eyes probably light up. Looks like it. The WL cat. Look at that. It's even labeled. That's funny. Love that. Okay. We got a cord. It's nice. Not much else to say. You got your little mini dongle here. Okay. You got your carrying case. Cool touch. I like carrying cases. Keep that mouse secure when you're going to a LAN or whatever. Let's get out the other skates. Hopefully there's other skates to this thing because what does this have? Those little dots, and they're just placed so poorly. What are you doing, WL? Like, did you test this? Did you test the skate design? Guess, like, maybe, I don't know. I think that's dumb. So they come with alcohol wipes to replace their poor placement. Comes with skates, corner and full. And some cutout in the middle. Like, what the fuck? Okay, that's weird. Why do they do that? So you can see the logo? Oh, no, so you can see, does this have a serial number on the bottom? No. I don't know why they have this cutout. So you can see this stuff. Okay. I thought for a second it was so you can see their little logo right here. And I was like, well, that's fucking insane. Okay, I'll leave this handy because I am going to be changing that out. Nothing else in there. This is actually this is going to sound fucking stupid. This is high quality cardboard and it's like fucking embossed. Pretty cool. Oh, here we go. Look at that. More skates. Or more, not skates. That'd be crazy. More grip tape. Universal size. Okay, so that's the unboxing of that one. We're going to do this other one in a super rapid fashion. Okay, where's this one? Yeah. Got three products from WL. Nice. It's expensive, man. These are not cheap. They're easier to acquire than Final Mice, though. You still got to beat the bots. You still got to do it on drop day. But easier to acquire and they release it more often. All right, let's get this box out of here. Nice boxes, by the way. Like, more companies should do this shit. I'm sure it doesn't cost that much. Okay, what colorway is this? This is the... this is the mini, so this is different. Let's get you out of here for a second, because this is different. Okay, this is the Mini Pro in Neon Rose. Damn, now I'm actually kind of excited now. Okay, we got this clampy boy. Need help? Uh-huh. Yes, sir. All right. Dun, da, 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 dun, dun, da, 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 WLMouse. Ooh, wow. That's bright. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Ooh, listen to that crispy boy. What switches are these? They're the opticals again, the Omrons. Nice. Look, the skate design is still dog shit. God damn it. What are you doing, WLMouse? Is this just a cost saving? Look, 3 of them again. All right, this bad boy off there. Come on. I'll try it with these default skates for like an hour, but I know they're gonna just not work with me. Okay, we got the WL. Oh man, I hope I can tell the difference between these two. Oh man, come on. This is... am I not going to be able to have 2 of these hooked up? Was there a difference? Damn it, man. I'm going to have to like write blue and pink on this. Yeah, it's the same model. Damn it, man. Okay, this is going to be confusing on my desk with the 1,000 mouse and receivers. I'm going to have to write like P on this, pink and blue. Okay. Comes with a cord, because it should. Because it should. All right. And I'm sure it comes with skates and grips. Let's see. Let us discover. Little discovery quest. We got more universal grip tape. Nice. We got... where did I put them? Scanning for scissors, scanning. Here we go. Got it. All right. Grip tape. Oh boy, we got alcohol wipes. We got grip tape in yellow, or in white and black, and we got skates. Didn't I order glass skates too? I ordered some other glass skates at this order. I don't have them. Okay. Yeah. All right. That's weird. Okay. WLMouse support is great, by the way. I've never had any issues with them. They're awesome. Shit, did I not take that? Whatever. I'll do that later. Okay, that's been my unboxing of the WLMouse full size and the Mini Pro with their little cat dongles that I'm going to have to specify. Anywho, that's nice. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Oh shit, I did that whole unboxing in AutoTuned. Fuck. Oh my god, I did the whole unboxing in AutoTuned. Man. Damn it. Alright.